Hi and welcome to Kajabi in 5 minutes. This video is going to go into some of Kajabi's features. We're going to dive right in and see what Kajabi has to offer. So first of all, Kajabi is an all-in-one digital platform designed to help digital entrepreneurs or creators launch their business and manage their business needs online. As an all-in-one, it offers lots of features. I'm going to go through what they are so you can know. Before I do that, I want you to know that I'm an affiliate for Kajabi, so I'm kind of biased. I've been using Kajabi for a long time, but I do try and present them in as much of an unbiased way as possible. But I will try to make this really clear and easy for you to understand what you can do with Kajabi. Also, if you're interested in trying Kajabi, I can give you a 30-day free trial and free one-on-one bonus support to help flatten the learning curve. You can learn about that in the links in the details. One of the big features of Kajabi is a website, and they give you some templates to kind of start you off with. A website is a collection of all your pages that have the same theme and showcase your stuff. You can use one of their templates, or you can just build one for yourself like what I've done here. These are all my website pages, and Kajabi does a really good job linking them all together, making them easy to access, and connecting them. As you can see up here, Kajabi also takes care of landing pages and funnels, and they offer A/B page testing, which is pretty fun. A landing page is different from a website page because it is a completely independent page and doesn't share the theme or settings with any other page. Kajabi's got a lot of templates for your landing pages, and these templates give you some really good design inspiration and let you know how you can use the platform. Also give you a great place to start off with if you're wanting to not start from scratch. The next big thing that Kajabi does is what they call products. And a product in Kajabi is something that you, as the creator, sell or give to somebody else. Usually they have to have a username and login credentials to access. So it's that type of a thing. And if you're looking on the Kajabi pricing page, you'll notice that the product number or the quota of products that you get is one of the big differences between plans. So in Kajabi's product list, we've got courses, coaching, community, podcast, newsletters, and downloads. This is what a Kajabi course can look like. It gives you a landing page to come in and a place to lay out all of your content. If you click into one of these modules, you can see different lessons, and clicking into one of the lessons, you can see the video player where you've got control over closed captions and how fast it goes and things like that. A rich text area for anything else you want to add into your lesson, some comments, and if you wanted, a place over here for downloads. Kajabi's course outline also comes with a sidebar that lets you cross-link to other things, and they have a paywall feature. You don't see it in this course, but basically I could draw a line right here and let all of this content up here be free and all of this content down here be accessed after upgrading to a different level of access through a checkout page. This is what a coaching package can look like. You can lay out a basic page here where people can see their sessions. You can come into a session and see an agenda or notes or resources that you've made available. In the notes area, you're able to have shared notes or personal notes. And when you go to schedule a session, you can open up whatever calendar linking page you're working with. Kajabi's coaching program also makes it really easy to see all of your clients and how many sessions they've used and how many total they have, and can also be done with group and individual programs. Kajabi provides its own booking software and video software if you don't want to link to a third party for those services. The coaching package is a really robust product that Kajabi has. I don't have an example of a community product for you to look at, but the community is something that Kajabi has just recently updated with a major update in 2025. In the community, there are lots of features. You can do chat rooms, have more of a forum style posting. You can have live meetings with up to 200 people, individual messaging and meetings, as well as linking to other content, whether it be a course that you have in Kajabi or just other pages on the internet in general. This product also offers different levels of access. So within your community, you can have different tiers or groups that you're engaging with and have a natural way to bring people from a lower level of engagement into a higher one right within the product. The podcast, newsletters, and download products are pretty self-explanatory. It's worth noting that with Kajabi Podcasts, it's very easy to do private podcasts. And if you have a membership or a course, adding a podcast into that might be a great way to make your content more accessible. It's easy to do and set up so that the access is given just to your members. And by making the same content they get in the course in video format, available in audio format in podcast, could be a good benefit for them. Kajabi has a branded app that they help you to design and that they build for you. This app has additional function than the included app and comes at an extra cost. I've already mentioned that Kajabi has funnels, and they do offer a lot of different templates with explanations of how they intend these templates to work. You can, of course, start from scratch and build your own. Events is another feature in Kajabi where you can create an event and build specific emails and actions that happen before and after the event to automate the marketing and post-sales of what you're doing. The email campaigns area in Kajabi is another major area. This is where you upload all of your email templates and set up your email broadcasts or sequences. You can do A/B testing with your email broadcasts, organize your email in folders, and also filter your list by type and status of email. Kajabi gives you a detailed report for all of the emails that you send. You can see you can see deliver rates, open rates, how many sends there were, clicks, bounces, all of those types of things. You also get to see each person that interacted with your email and what action they did. Kajabi makes it easy to engage with your email list by giving you insights on specific user engagement and key metrics. There's also lots of automations and filters that you can do within your list to target specific things and build the type of marketing campaign that you want. There are some other features in Kajabi still. Your contact list, other analytics in general, your affiliate portal, and the Creator Studio, which is something that helps you repurpose your content into lots of different forms using AI. Hopefully this has given you a good idea as to what Kajabi can do and what its features are. I'd love to hear your thoughts about it in the comments below. And if you're interested in more specific videos about distinct features, go to my channel and see what I have to offer you there.